In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix UK immigration ID check app not working on your Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, I've got a few different ways we can try and resolve this issue. So the first fix we can try is to clear the cache. So click on the UK immigration apps, click and hold, and click on I. We want to get in the app info. From here, navigate lower under usage, you will see storage. Click on the storage. Then we need to go ahead and clear cache on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Fix number 2 is to make sure the app is updated. So go to your Player App Store, click on type in UK immigration ID check, make sure it is up to date. If it says update here, go ahead and click on update. If it says open, you have the latest software available for UK immigration installed on your device. Another thing what we can do is check your internet connection. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, go ahead and switch over to cellular data and vice versa, because we need to be connected to a stable internet connection. And also we need to make sure to grant necessary permissions. So from here, click and hold down the app UK immigration ID check, get in the app info. Where it says permissions, we need to make sure all these are allowed. So the camera, microphone, and allow. So I'm going to go camera permissions only while using the app, go to microphone only while using the app, and also phone, click allow. So you need to make sure all those three are enabled. The app's still not working, we might need to go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall it. So click and hold down the app, click on uninstall, and go ahead and re-download it and install it from your Play Store. And from there, do a restart on your device.